back to eLab Education. I'm Mark, one of the physiotherapists and exercise scientists here at eLab. Today we want to talk about lower back pain, shoulder pain, neck pain. Have you ever suffered these? Your stability system in your body probably isn't working very well. So today what I want to talk to you about is the two differing muscle systems in your body, how to train them, how to recognise when they're working well. So theoretically first, there's two general different systems in your body. I like to talk about them working on different channels, so like different radio frequencies. There's firstly your global system, sometimes known as your phasic muscle system. These muscles switch on and off, and they're our movers, they're our big muscles. They're things like our biceps and our hamstrings and quads and gastrocnemius in our calf. Really, really important to make us move, really important for power. The other muscle system is our deep stability system, also known as our tonic system. And these muscles always have a nice low tone and should be activating most of the time. And their job is to protect us from injury and to keep our joints in really nice positions. And so that our phasic muscle system or our global muscle system can work efficiently. I guess just imagining a sprinter at the start of a race running with no tonic system would be pushing down with power through their hamstring and losing complete control through their spine and through their pelvic system is a nice way to think of it. I explain sometimes to my clients it's the difference between a runner running on a tartan track compared to soft sand. And soft sand, you lose that traction. And so the tonic muscle system, your stability system, is there for performance, but it's there for pain relief and protecting the joints as well. So when we have a look at a spine, you'll generally see the tonic or the stability system sitting really close to the spine. Our famous muscles here, or the most common muscles, are the transverse abdominis, commonly known as TA, multifidus, which sits in between the lamina and the spinous pieces through here, or the vertebrae through here, and pelvic floor as well. The clever thing about the stability system or the tonic muscle fibers is that they work in a way, their orientation is such that when they contract, they pull us apart from gravity. So they pull the joints apart. They're also known as anti-gravity muscles for this reason. Now, that's really important when we're applying big, strong forces through our global system, because our global system together causes contracting, shearing, and compressive forces. If we continually do that, which we're commonly doing and we're commonly treating, and in eLab we're commonly rehabilitating from, we see pain syndromes, we see compressive disc syndromes, so disc herniations, and we've talked about these in other videos. We see compressions through the facets, and we see really horrible shearing forces. You're destined to have lower back pain, you're destined to have neck pain. Shoulders are a really interesting one as well. The famous thing in the shoulder is the rotator cuff system. And so in the shoulder, there's four muscles within the shoulder. There's your teres minor, supraspinatus, subscapularis, infraspinatus, and they work as a team. And as you raise your arm up, they actually distract you from the joint. Without our rotator cuff system, or our tonic muscle system, our stability system in the shoulder, we'd lift our arm and it would look like this, okay? And commonly seen impingement. If it's not quite working well enough and you're a surfer or a swimmer or you do a lot of overhead movements, you end up with what's called impingement syndrome, and commonly we see pain in the top of the shoulder. So really, really important muscle groups. So what I want to do is just give you a quick demonstration on how to set these on. There's lots of different exercises that we prescribe for you.